Okay, let's start the trade recap. Trade recap for the last week, 23rd of March to 27th of March. So last week I took two trade, both are Nasdaq. So I'll be less the breakdown these two trade, why I enter and what is the any learning things from these two trade. So okay, let's start the first trade. Okay, before I start the first trade, so it's Sunday. I make a focus video that for this Nasdaq because this is the Friday. Okay, okay. So this is from Friday. I make a focus video. This candle, the last week Friday market closed like that. So break below weekly rejection low and the market bouncing back. So this is the during my Sunday recording market conditions like that. So that's why my initial sell zone is I already recorded from below this low to next level. Next level is a monthly gap here. So I'm make it sell zone from this low to here. So this is the already define my sell zone during the Sunday just focus. Okay, then same thing for buy zone is here above this 4-hour rejection high to next daily rejection high. So from here to here is my buy zone. So this is the two zone that Sunday I focus. Okay, so let's go to Monday. So Monday morning market is market open below previous Friday low, and which is in my selling zone. So is market open in my zone, but when I wake up, the time is already reject back. So I don't enter. But I planning is if let's say market coming back below this a Monday open. So Monday open, then I going to sell. Okay, so what happened is this is a 4-hour candle. So after this two candle, then around in the London session, so this 2 p.m. Singapore time. This 4-hour candle is like that. So okay, then I go down to 1 hour. How I enter the trade. Okay, so so okay, then this one is I just okay, this one is not my trade, but I try to make myself some learning. Okay, so I delete this one first. So okay, this is my actual entry. So what happened is I set the alarm. I set the alarm that this is the Monday morning, the one that first candle the low. I set the alarm here. So my alarm is triggering me on this during this 2 p.m. because this is a 1 hour candle. So this one aggressively going down. So I make the pending order. So pending order the limit for next 3 p.m. So beginning of the 3 p.m. I start to put my pending order here. So because I don't a bit of emotional, I think it's okay. Market may not be retraced back, be straight away going down. So this is my thought process during that time. So that's why I put the pending order is around this level. So okay, then after that I will be take the stop loss as above this candle. So my take profit is here. So eventually the market never hit my take profit. So it is what it is. I accept the loss. So it's the market. Actually, it's after trigger my entry, market come down. I thought it's already hit my take profit, but when I open up my chart again, this the red candle is reject back, and then this next hour I check my chart is this one's opening candle is start be green already. So anyway, so I just keep holding my trade. I hope that market will be coming back. So what happened here? This is the one that Donald Trump some talk during that time. Okay, some recent the Iran and US the war, Donald Trump talk something, then market really react. So it hit my stop loss. Okay, so this is my original entry and original. So based on that, I tried to figure out what's I'm wrong on this trade. Actually, is I follow my plan, but this is my sell zone. My entry is also correct. So nothing is wrong because I follow my trading plan and I already define this as sell zone. I'm going to sell. Also, I put the alert. So only I can think of is how to improve in future because during that time just now I mentioned a bit of emotion that market may not be retraced back straight away going down. So that's why I my emotion is I scared that I'm not on the board. I missed this trade because market will go down. I have missed this opportunity. So that's why I try to be pending order, the limit order that slightly lower. So now my thinking is because this is my original low, only one thing is if I place here from this candle is the sell stop order. So this is a self stop order to enter, or maybe I want to be confirmed that this candle is closed. So this is a potential 1 hour gap. So potential 1 hour gap. So maybe I thinking is in future I maybe don't be so emotionally entry here. Set the sell limit order here instead of I will be putting this original low. This is my and the signal. The alarm is here. So that's why just now the one thing is I have to put the sell order this level. Okay, so this is the just the high side. In future, how do I improve? If let's say I entry slightly above my original entry, but stop loss is because we already know that above this candle. So then my take profit 1 to 1 should be around there. So for this entry, then maybe I can be hit my take profit because market. Okay, I go down 50-minute time frame. You can see that because market is retraced back. This candle is retraced back to here. Here is meaning that original my low is here. So even though I order slightly higher sell limit, but still can hit my entry, and then this the 4 p.m. candle will be going down. So in this down, I can hit my take profit. So this is for just for high side. I learned something that in future maybe I may not be maybe very cautious that maybe I will put the order around previous low. So unless if really market really go down, okay lah, I take a missing opportunity. So but this is just to high side, see how to implement in the future entry. So overall entry is nothing wrong. I wait for 4 hour candle coming to my sell zone, then I enter. Okay, so this is my first trade Monday, the Nasdaq. So I take a loss because the market retraced back. So this is during the Donald Trump talk. This market already go in to my buy zone, trigger my alarm, but I patiently I wait to complete this candle. So this candle is in Singapore time 6 p.m. then close as the 10 p.m. So before I go back, I see really candle close inside, no, but candle close outside. So I don't bother. The next day I monitor, is it market will really come or not? But next few day, the whole week is the market is ranging in this area. So the Friday, okay, market drop. So Friday market is really aggressively drop inside my sell zone. So where I enter is, so I will be because this is the US session that I'm sleeping that time. Then one Friday morning I wake up about this is when I'm I wake up, I saw this candle, so I know that I planning already planned. So where do I enter? So this is the US session drop. This is the Asia session retrace. I wake up at that time, but I set the alarm that this candle low. So this is my plan to enter, right? So because of my previous trade, I got the miss. I mean, I a bit of entry is low, so I try to make it same level as the previous lows for this Friday trade. Okay, then 1 hour. 1 hour, I place my order around here for, okay, I try to be adjust. Okay, okay, here. So from this time, what I did is I already make it pending order because the previous trade is okay, because this is my original alarm. I should be here entry, then I can make the profit. But so similar situation, my thinking process that okay, this is the alarm that I set the alarm because I want to see market below this low. So that's why I already put the sell stop order here. Then I will be putting on top. So this is like I ended at the 4. So actually I try to make it to prevent this potential. If let's say it's a potential gap, then slightly above. So this is the when I place the order during this candle. So but market is not really break below yet. So I put the entry is here, this level. That's why it's here. The next candle trigger. Then I put the stop loss is because this candle I already know that this candle will be close with the red. So my stop loss is cover above this. So I don't want to all the way cover here because I know it really market is because this is the second time coming back to within a week that second time coming back to my sell zone. So I really is market if really not selling, then no reason to coming back. By right should be going up. So it's coming back. So I was quite confident that can be dropped. So I put it here, then stop loss is here. So quite fast. This trade is I hit my take profit. Okay, so this is the two trade that I took this week. So is one is loss, one is win. So is for me this week is a break even, but I can learn something that where do I optimize my entry in the future. So where is my original alert and where do I put even though market haven't come to this level, I can put the stop order or maybe market already overshoot. So I will try to put the limit order stick to the previous my trigger signal alarm. Okay, that's all for this week. Break even week. It is what it is. Okay.